Here's how to turn off out of office in Gmail in 2026. If this helps you, please like the video and subscribe for more quick Gmail tips. First, open Google Chrome and go to gmail.com. Make sure you're signed in. In the top right corner, click the gear icon, then select See All Settings. Now stay on the General tab. Scroll down until you find Vacation Responder, also known as Out of Office. Select Vacation Responder Off. This will immediately stop Gmail from sending automatic replies. Scroll all the way down and click Save Changes. If you don't save, the Out of Office message will stay active. And that's it. Your Out of Office reply is now turned off in Gmail. Like and subscribe for more fast and simple Gmail tutorials.